Suno is about to replace its current music models. Suno says their new models are going to be better than anything they've released before, but of course, only time will tell. And they're also retiring all of the other existing models instead of giving you the option to use them. So let's speculate. Okay, obviously they're being sued by major record companies, indie artists, and a bunch of other people. But their new models, they say models, plural, so I don't know what that means either. They're developed in partnership with the music industry. It doesn't say who, it just says the music industry. They also say they will generate music faster, higher fidelity audio, and give us more control. That sounds great, of course, but we don't know yet. So I'm curious about what we're actually going to get. Suno could be great, but it's not. There's lots of problems with Suno. I think it'd be cool if you can actually, instead of getting stems, you just generate a bass track. You have your bass track, you have your guitar track, you have your drum tracks, all that kind of stuff. I don't know if they'll ever get to that point, but hopefully they will, instead of doing all these stems that sound like crap anyways. Anyways, that's just a little rant I'm going on. Let's get back to the topic at hand here. So I've been using Suno to reproduce, make covers, reimagine my own songs, whatever you want to call it. I write the lyrics, the melodies, and everything. I don't just generate random songs. And I've only been using it for a few months, so I know there was problems. People were complaining about the new 5.5 model. I never used any of the other models, so I don't know. So you guys have to let me know in the comments below what model you like the best and your speculations of what this new model actually is going to be as well. Because, of course, Suno is going to say it's better because it's their product. So is this because of the lawsuits? Probably. I mean, they've been in major legal battles over AI music training, while at the same time, the company has been moving towards partnerships with the music industry. And Suno especially said that these new models are being developed in partnership with the music industry. So, who knows what kind of things are going on behind the scenes. Now, this also doesn't say in September, when the September 3rd, the download limits approach. But this just says soon for the new model. So it could be tomorrow. It could be December. It could be next year. Who knows? But let me know what you guys think. And how are you guys using Suno yourself? Are you doing it just for your own songs that you actually wrote? Or are you just generating thousands of songs by prompts? Let me know in the comments below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.